New channel or established streamer, the best YouTube cameras will help you on your way to winning legions of subscribers. Whatever your content niche, we've got you covered. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best cameras for YouTube you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Unleash your creativity with the Sony ZV-1 Mark II, a compact powerhouse designed for seamless content creation. It's the perfect tool for aspiring YouTubers. The sleek and lightweight design, weighing in at just 9 ounces, ensures effortless one-handed shooting. Its 18 to 50mm f1.8 to 4 wide-angle zoom lens expands your creative frame, capturing stunning visuals effortlessly. The ZV-1 Mark II boasts advanced autofocus with multiple face recognition, guaranteeing everyone stays in focus. The 20.1-megapixel 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor and Bionz X processor deliver impressive performance, offering ISO sensitivity from 125 to 2800 for both video and stills. The real-time IAF and tracking features ensure swift and precise focus, while the 3-inch touchscreen simplifies front-facing composition. The ZV-1 Mark II's thoughtful features include a bokeh switch, face priority AE, and a soft skin effect for impeccable results. With extended UHD 4K video recording, USB-C port versatility, and a reasonable price, the Sony ZV-1 Mark II stands out as the 5th best camera for YouTube, ensuring your creative journey is both exciting and accessible. Priced at a reasonable $898 US. Step into the world of YouTube content creation with the Fujifilm X S20, a captivating upgrade for enthusiasts seeking the pinnacle of vlogging excellence. It claims the coveted title of the number 4 best camera for YouTube, promising a seamless fusion of innovation and user-friendly design. This mirrorless wonder boasts a 26.1-megapixel sensor, a proven powerhouse from its predecessors, the XS10 and XT4. However, the XS20 elevates the game with 6K 30p 4x2x2 10-bit internal recording, a feature that exceeds the needs of most YouTubers but is a testament to its commitment to serious videography. The ergonomic design retains the charm of the XS10, with a fully articulating touchscreen and intuitive top-plate dials. Yet, the XS20 isn't without its wishes: the absence of weather sealing and a price point that might intimidate beginners. Despite this, the camera beckons creators with its tempting vlog mode, offering creative settings like background defocus and product priority at just a tap away. Unleash your storytelling potential with the Fujifilm X S20, where every frame is an emotion and every video is a masterpiece. Priced at $1299 US. Meet the Panasonic Lumix S5 Mark II, crowned the number 3 best camera for YouTube. This mirrorless marvel boasts a full-frame sensor with 24.2-megapixel resolution, delivering a filmmaking experience that transcends boundaries. The S5 Mark II, lighter than its counterpart, the Panasonic GH6, nestles comfortably in your hand, offering intuitive control through its crisp, vari-angle touchscreen. While lacking a tally light, its prowess in video shooting compensates generously. Unleashing stunning 6K 30p footage, the camera paints your YouTube canvas with vibrant colors and a wide dynamic range. Utilizing the full sensor area for versatile content cropping, witness a cinematic breakthrough as Panasonic introduces phase detection autofocus for video, allowing seamless focus shifts with adjustable speed and sensitivity. Despite a 1.5 times crop in 4K 60p and exclusive features reserved for its pricier sibling, the Lumix S5 2X, the S5 Mark II stands tall as a compelling hybrid package for YouTubers, priced at $1424 US. Presenting the Sony Alpha ZV-E1, a cinematic marvel that stands as the second best camera for YouTube. This mirrorless wonder boasts a 12.1-megapixel full-frame sensor, capturing your moments with unparalleled clarity. Its Sony E-mount lens and 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen, adorned with 1036K dots, make shooting and reviewing a seamless, immersive experience. Perfect for on-the-go YouTubers, the ZV-E1 excels in both convenience and quality. As the smallest and lightest full-frame camera with image stabilization, it ensures your footage remains steady even in dynamic shooting scenarios. The 4K 120p video capability with a firmware update unlocking 4K 60p paints your content with lifelike vibrancy. But it's the AI shooting tools that elevate the ZV-E1 to greatness. Auto-framing intelligently tracks subjects, minimizing post-production edits for solo creators. Though not without quirks like limited cooling vents and a single card slot, this camera beckons those who crave a clever, user-friendly tool for their creative journey. In the hands of individual creators, the Sony Alpha ZV-E1 transforms filmmaking into an art, a testament to both innovation and simplicity, priced at $21.98. The Panasonic Lumix GH6 emerges as the unrivaled champion in the realm of YouTube cameras, claiming its throne as the #1 choice for content creators. It's a premium investment that promises an unparalleled creative journey. The GH6, the successor to the esteemed GH5 Mark II, transcends expectations with a 25.2 megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor, elevating your visuals to cinematic realms with an astonishing 5.7K footage at 30 FPS. While it may be overkill for casual YouTubers, its 10-bit video modes open a Pandora's box of possibilities for color grading aficionados. The absence of live streaming in the GH6 is a small sacrifice, compensated by its enhanced specs, including ProRes and H.265 format support for seamless integration with YouTube. A firmware update to v2.3 introduces 12-bit Blackmagic RAW and 4K 120p via HDMI, cementing its status as a technological tour de force. The GH6's slightly larger frame than its predecessor doesn't hinder its portability. Its robust build, free-angle touchscreen, tally lights, and record button additions make it a joy to use. Priced at $16.97. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.